Welcome back to Wealth-Wise Mindset, your destination for financial freedom and abundance. Let me ask you, when you think of minimalism, you probably imagine clean rooms, organized closets, and fewer possessions. But here's a truth not enough people talk about. Your finances can get just as cluttered as your closet. Financial minimalism is about removing the unnecessary noise from your money life, the accounts, subscriptions, and financial habits that don't serve you, so you can focus on what really matters, building wealth with clarity and peace of mind. It's the art of stripping away the unnecessary money clutter so you can focus on what truly matters. In this video, I'll break down how to identify your financial clutter, the steps to simplify your money management, and how living with less financial complexity can actually make you wealthier. So grab a notebook. We're about to do some money decluttering. Now let's clear up a common misconception. Financial minimalism is not about living with the bare minimum or depriving yourself. It's about eliminating the unnecessary, things that cost you time, energy, or money, so you can direct resources toward what's truly important. Think of it like this. A cluttered financial life is like having 15 tabs open on your computer. Even if you're only using one, the others slow you down. A minimalist financial life is like having just the tabs you actually need. It feels lighter, faster, and more productive. I don't need 5 credit cards when 1 or 2 will do. I don't need 7 bank accounts I never check. I don't need subscriptions I forgot I even have. Minimalism is about intentionality. You're deciding what stays and what goes, and you're freeing up mental energy that can now be used to grow your wealth. When your finances are simple, your decisions are clearer and your stress levels drop. The first step is awareness. Before you can declutter, you need to know what you're working with. Here's how to do it. Start by taking inventory. Ask yourself, how many bank accounts do I have? How many credit cards am I juggling? How many subscriptions, memberships, or automatic payments am I paying for? Clutter isn't just physical. It's also digital and mental. That gym membership you haven't used in months? That's clutter. That old checking account you opened years ago but never closed? Clutter. Tip, write it all down. You can't declutter what you haven't identified. Here's the hard truth. Every extra financial account, subscription, or loan adds complexity. And complexity leads to mistakes, late fees, and missed opportunities. Cancel unused subscriptions, even if it's only $10 a month. Small leaks sink big ships. Consolidate bank accounts. Fewer accounts mean fewer logins and fewer things to track. Pay off and close unnecessary credit cards, not all at once, but strategically, so it doesn't hurt your credit. When you remove the noise, you make space for intentional spending and saving. Now that you've decluttered, the next step is automation. Why? Because every manual decision you remove frees up time and energy. So once you've removed the excess, set up automation for what's left. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Automate transfers to savings or investments. Use one central budgeting app instead of 3 different ones. The fewer moving parts in your financial system, the easier it is to stay consistent. Think of automation like putting your finances on autopilot. You're still the pilot, but now you've got technology making the journey smoother. Here's the beauty of financial minimalism. Once you've stripped away the noise, you can actually focus on your real goals. So it's not just about cutting, it's about laser focusing and having time to put in the work. When you declutter your money life, you have more bandwidth to build an emergency fund. Invest regularly. Plan for big life goals without feeling overwhelmed. It's the difference between trying to juggle 12 balls at once and calmly holding the 3 or 4 that actually matter. When your financial life is simplified, you'll find that these priorities are easier to see, easier to track, and easier to achieve. Instead of stressing over 10 different accounts, you're laser focused on what moves the needle forward. So, by simplifying your finances, you reduce stress, fewer bills, fewer worries. You save time. No more hours wasted hunting down passwords or tracking random charges. You make better decisions. Clarity gives you confidence. You accelerate your wealth building. Money flows where you focus. People often think wealth is about making more money. But wealth also comes from managing what you already have in a way that reduces chaos. If you've been feeling overwhelmed with your money, financial minimalism might just be the reset you need. Remember, it's not about having less money. It's about having less money stress. Start small. Cancel one unused subscription today, or close one unnecessary account. The freedom you feel will motivate you to keep going. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little money decluttering. And join the WealthWise community. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next one.